Okay, so here we have a retainer wall. A retainer wall basically means that we've got a full wall on the one side and there's a soil part on the other side that is higher than the ground on this side. Typically, these are quite difficult situations to specify and overcome because there's basically soil on the one side, and that basically means that there's a water table that is basically pushing moisture from this side to the other side, and typically you see quite a bit of failure on your painted wall side. There are actually meant to be waterproofing structures and drainage details put in place on the retaining soil side, but often those things fall away, and therefore we have reduced guarantees and warranties on retainer walls. However, we do have a coating system that we highly suggest for these kinds of situations, and that would be a moisture resistant primer, something like our Promac rubber duck new deck primer and sealer as a primer, or our Promac rubber duck damp guard as a primer, followed by a bitumen emulsion product, which would be our Promac rubber duck super cold RBE as a waterproofing measure to actually prevent moisture from damaging our top coat. And then from there I would go with the top coat that we're most likely going to be suggesting for this building, which would be the Promac Pro Clad.